Hello and welcome to this edition of Ask Andy. Now in this edition we're going to look at how we update the firmware on the TouchIT Rapide. So the first thing we're going to do is take a USB memory stick, we're going to delete all the contents and we're going to format it to FAT32 format using a Windows computer. We're then going to copy over the firmware files, and it's just one file and you can find that file underneath the video. Once you've copied that onto the USB memory stick, we're then going to insert the USB memory stick into the LED. Now we're going to power off the unit. Okay, once the unit is powered off, we'll turn it back on and we're going to press and hold the power button. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, my unit's powered off. I'm going to turn the unit on. The red light is now on the front and I'm going to press and hold on the front of the LED. We'll see the TouchIT logo and now we're going to see the firmware update. Don't power off the unit at this time, leave it running until the update is totally complete. When the unit is turned off, take out the USB stick, press the power on button and you'll be good to go. Okay, so you've just updated your firmware, but now your LED has a copy. It's showing two versions of the Android OS. Don't worry, you just need your remote control and we need to change one of the settings in the installer menu. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and press source. We're going to press enter on HDMI and we're then going to press the menu button. Move down to display mode, press enter, and now we're going to press up twice, down twice, and then we're entering the engineering menu. Scrolling down to general options, press enter, and down to panel division and select 2. And at that point we're then going to press the exit button. Now we need to power down the unit, and when we restart the unit we'll have our normal Android home screen. If you've liked what you've seen in this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can watch the next video down below.